Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa with Letter. Official music video. Jump in when I hear what Skippa say, let's go, man, let's go, man. Take out my glasses, and okay, I'm about to get serious. Big up Skippa. Let's go. We got a production team. Hold on there. Yo, that is a creative, yeah, fuck. One that the badness again in putting a snow. Him not stop say that, alright? Police list, Skippa as person of interest. So we see in the papers, Skippa, person of interest. The same time when I put out the Kip Rich was person of interest. I don't know the whole story already. I'm not get into it. Because him must say, do a song say one Daddy Badness when them did killed Daddy Badness with you. So, he's a person of interest. I'm not sure if that's cleared up yet. So this is the letter to it. Alright, look here, Wagwan. Let's go. Dream shot, big up yourself. Dream shot this. Rich forever.
Yeah, cause granny I've been on the road. I've been on the road. I've been on it. Yeah. Cause granny I've been on the road. Lady, a boy don't get no sleep. No watching it, no watching blogs. I want them say about me. The more I dare than me.
See to the person. Yo, the person might edit this. Big up yourself. Dream, big up yourself.
Granny I've been on the road. Lady, a boy don't get no sleep. No watching it, no watching.
See the person of interest list there. So they make sure put him up as a Tajay Clark, otherwise called Skippa. Yes, dancehall artist. Who frequents can't read that guys. It quite Tars Meadows in St. Catherine and Montego Bay in St. Okay. And then we see the rest of the G they mess up on the thing. So I must say yo letter. All right.
Lady, a boy don't get no sleep. No watching it, no watching blogs. I want them say about me. The more I dare them in a show, me still a step out there. Like in alone, me do it from home, so fuck a J.O.B.
Hold on, man. So I'm tell you, say you no business, brother. The amount of dirt where them a throw up on them name, dog.
Lady, a boy don't get no sleep. No watching it, no watching blogs. I want them say about me. The more I dare them in a show, me still a step out there. Like in alone, me do it from home, so fuck a J.O.B. Can't stop, yeah, me want go for more. Formatic pan the bend, so it dark up the road. Bro, me locking pan the ends. Still my master, my flow. Blagger boy come like a feds, but it can't catch a code.
Man say blagger boy come like a feds. I wish blagger boy I call up a genie, man. That is that. Guys, I'm not a blogger, alright? I'm a reactioner. We are bloggers is different from reaction. I don't blog about stories. I don't do none of that shit. I just react to music. That's all I do over here. Music. Alright? Yes. We don't do mix up. We don't do crime. We don't do none of that.
So it dark up the road, bro. Me locking pan the ends. Still my master, my flow. Blagger boy come like a feds, but it can't catch a code. I'm falling, but my nightmares still come true. The devil still around me down, no matter all I do. All I do, see my dreams unfolding, riding from my eyes, I'm still a see me.
On a date, brother. That one a date, man. So even though in my personal interest at Jamaica, I find him there nice to shoot him video. Production team, big up on yourself.
Yeah,
ready?
Cause granny I've been on the road.
Big up grandma. Big up grandma. Yeah. Ready?
Cause granny I've been on the road. Lady, a boy don't get no sleep. No watching it, no watching blogs, I want them say
about me.
The month I there, them in a show, me still a step out clean. Like in alone, me do from home, so fuck a J.O.B. Can't stop it, me want go for more. 4-matic pan the Benz, so it
back up the road.
Bro, me locking pan the ends, still my master, my flow. Blog a boy come like a fits, but it can't catch a cold. I'm falling, but my nightmares still come true. The devil still around me down, no matter all I do. All I do. See my dreams unfolding, right in front of my eyes. I'm still a see my demons, no matter what I try. No matter what I try. Yeah, I saw me speed off for the memories. I hate real hard, but me make for this. I trick a team dog, if I the enemies. So me lock in, dog, I work on my melodies. I saw me speed off for the memories. I hate real hard.
Repeat it again. So me lucky to work on my melodies.
See my dreams are falling, but my nightmares still come true. The devil still around me down, no matter all I do. All I do. See my dreams are falling, right in front of my eyes. I'm still a see my demons, no matter what I try. Yeah, no matter what I try. Yeah. So do it for real, like the pussy them never want see it and a real talk. Them never want see the V6 them speed pass. But bitch I make it bounce and it a drop out a G-shots. I know we run it on and drop it crown of the features. Dogs them done so move like retard. The amount of money make me go to broke if me restart. Left the X in the road.
Man said the amount of money make me couldn't broke if me restart.
So move like retard. The amount of money make me go to broke if me restart. Left the X in the road and jump out like a free park. Anyway we step a death and on the chat when the G-talk.
Yeah, man said me left the X in the road and jump out like a free park. You know what I mean? You know beanies, you know beanies, you know beanies.
The X in the road and jump out
like a free park.
Anyway we step a death and on the chat when the G-talk. G-talk.
Yeah. Yo, bad your bad, machine. Bad your bad. Bad your bum buckler, bad. Bob them. Yes, man. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Hold on. Let me see if I can see this thing here. No. Yes. Rich Together Entertainment. Big up yourself. Bob them. Big up yourself. Dan Money Records, big up yourself. Yes, man. Big up the production team. We work on that one, you know? Yes. Lanky Records, you see you? Yeah. Cardo Beats, big up yourself, my G. Composed by you. Yeah, beat nice. Skippa! Yeah, my G. Me like the fact say you forward and drop all the controversy and all of the news, negative news, where circle your name in our song rather than go live, cause the live thing not work, bro, but you just put it in your music. Do what you do best, bro, and just voice it in your music, you know? Yes, like you say, you're lucky and study your melodies, them, and people basically are call up your name and I try to put in a shit, bro. Just continue to focus on what you do and do what you want to do. You see me? Yeah, big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one. And I'll catch you guys down there. All right? Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying, span them and do what? Def them.